Good day everyone. I am Kusmari Bangon, second year criminology student from St. Teresa College of Tandag. In this vlog, I will demonstrate the proper handling and position of the camera as applied in forensic photography. Proper camera handling is important because it ensures clear, accurate, and unmissable photographic evidence and crime scene documentation. This is my camera. Let's identify its main parts and function. This is the lens. The lens is responsible for focusing light into the sensor. The viewfinder. This is the viewfinder in LCD screen. The viewfinder of LCD screen allows us to see what we are capturing. This is the shutter button. The shutter button used to take the photograph. This is the mode dial. The mode dial is choose settings like mode, manual, portrait, or landscape mode. Here is the camera grip, which provides stability and control while shooting. When holding the camera, always use two hands. Your right hand is on the grip, and the left hand supporting the lens or body of the camera. Keep your elbow close to your body to prevent shaking. Maintain a stable posture while standing with your feet, shoulders width apart. Avoid touching the lens directly and always secure the camera strap around your neck or worse to prevent dropping camera. Now, let's demonstrate the basic camera position used in forensic photography. The first is eye level shot. The camera is aligned with the subject eyes or the evidence level. This gives an accurate perspective. The second is angle shot. Eye angle shot. Taken from above to show the entire layout of the crime scene. The last is low angle shot. Low angle shot taken from below to emphasize height or the position of tool evidence like doors or furniture. This position helps the crime scene from different perspectives, ensuring a complex and accurate record. In forensic photography, proper camera handling and correct positioning are essential for capturing